Hey Dairy Road families, just wanted to give you a couple of quick updates on what's been going on at the ranch over this Labor Day weekend. First, we have our smoke detectors that have been installed and our fire alarms, keeping us safe. I'm standing here in our staff bathroom, which is arguably the most important part of the whole project. And they had the tile installed and the tile baseboards starting to go around. No grout yet, but look at this big bathroom just for grown-ups. Speaking of bathrooms, this is our boys' bathroom. All the tile is in here, all the way up this high. So boys, do your best damage in here. And then our little cowgirl bathroom over here, fully tiled all the way up as well. It's gonna get more pink paint in here too. Right now I'm coming onto the little porch that's off of the snack bar area where they've started our tongue and groove ceiling, which is going to be beautiful on our little porch. And then this porch will be screened in before completion. They've also started our soffit up here and installed our outdoor air conditioning units, which we're very excited about. Lots of drainage has gone in over the past couple of weeks as well. And although the drainage is coming together nicely, unfortunately, the rain has really delayed the project. So we just found out this week that our hopes for an October opening date are not going to come to fruition, but we're looking more towards Thanksgiving time. So just wanted to keep you guys posted that things are coming along slow and steady. Thanks for your encouragement and support, and we can't wait to celebrate with you when the time comes. We will certainly have a lot to be thankful for this year.